Hey, what's up, guys? So today I have here is a Glass Eagle red dot sight. Target unreachable. So it's pretty nice. Comes in a nice little box like this. Very awesome. This one's gonna go into my Glock 17. So you can see it's fully multi-coated. Eagle armor, shockproof, 100% waterproof, and nitrogen purge rings. So it comes in a nice little box. Beautiful, beautiful. You can use it for handguns or you can use it for assault rifles and stuff like that. So start off, you get a quick guide. So go through it, make sure you read all about it. Show you how to adjust it. You can see here it is an assault bore. So it tells you everything on how to do everything. Also, they back up with a lifetime warranty. And their phone number will be, you can see here, phone number, their address in New York. Tells you everything. They're 100% backup for their product. It is imported from China, but 100% backup, New York. Lifetime warranty. Okay. So it comes in a nice little box like this. Tell you all the information it has here. You know, magnifications, 1x. They got the window lens, the length, width, height, etc., etc. And the battery that it used is CR2032. It's a tablet battery. So you got the 8 daytime level, 2 night vision. So it's pretty nice box. Okay, so we get it open. So you get your plates. So you can see this one fits a Glock. So I will be using this one, and this one right here seemed like for a rail. Could be for assault rifle or anything that has a rail. So you got all different type of screws. You got all different type of Allen wrench. Also, they come with every tool that you need to adjust. So you can see is torque wrench. So you can see everything here. You got torque wrench, flathead, Phillips, and the other side you got flatheads. They got all the tools you need. So then you get the Allen keys as well, so you can adjust the sight. You get more little pieces here, just in case you lose it. Screws and bolts and stuff like that. So the sight itself, everything's cushioned inside the box. The sight itself comes with a nice little silicone cover, so when you're not using it, it's covered safely. Open it up. You have the sight itself just like this. You can see you can adjust it up, right, and you have your dots. Make it brighter, less brighter. So if we turn it on, we'll press the up button. So you can see the dot turned on, and let's see if you can see it. You can see it right there. You can see the little red dot right there. And if you want to dim it out, you hold it down and it'll turn off. Very nice. So I will be doing a video on mounting it on my Glock 17. Very, very nice red dot. Very nice quality. Also, the best thing about it, it does have lifetime warranty. Anything go wrong, you call them and you get it settled. Awesome. Well, coming soon, video installing on my Glock 17. Check it out.